Moron's Hawks.
Hello guys, it's the Moron's Hacks and we're today in Moron city in Cuba. We are driving this rent-a-car Renault Sandero, also known in Europe as Dacia Sandero, but here it's Renault Sandero with a four-cylinder petrol engine and an automatic 4-speed transmission. We're driving in Cuba, currently in Moron. That's the only city maybe in the world named on our channel and meaning idiot. Okay, we are currently in the almost outside of the city. There are a lot of old cars. You can see other video of all the cars in Havana, in Cuba, or on the streets of out city. In the extra urban road, you can see old cars. Now there is some old car approaching there. You can see it stopped. Some smoking motorcycle. It smells of unburned petrol everywhere on the streets. You can smell the unburned petrol and oil because of these old engines, which are not original from many years. These engines inside these old cars are not original. These are cars from 50, 60 and 70 years from America, and most of them are using boat engines, diesel engines. They are not produced with diesel engines, but they use diesel engines now from Lada most often because easy to find parts for Lada and other Russian shitty cars, and they put these engines inside these older cars so they keep them running because they cannot afford new cars or new engines or parts for original engines, which are really rare nowadays. So now let's go for POV driving of the Renault Sandero in Cuba. Let's go. Okay, one more old car. It's very dirty. Okay, let's go back to our Sandero. Some electric vehicles too. A lot of different vehicles, handmade, repaired. So this is the Sandero from Havana Autos Rent-a-Car. For 10 days, for 7 days, maybe around 700 euro to rent. It's very dusty, some scratches all over. Automatic gearbox. It's fast gearbox, but it's only 4-speed. The engine is small. The basic, all the basic. You even have this manual. This one manual too. Okay, let's go driving. This key. Let's go. Okay, put direct. Actually, there are some cops everywhere here on the motorcycles, even in the bushes. They are hiding, and they even stopped us once or two times already for more than 600-700 kilometers. They stopped us 2 times, and in the one of the times they said you should hold the wheel with both hands, because I was doing something else with my other hands at that moment. He told me because I was not using this hand to hold the wheel, and that was a problem here. Other thing was I was using, it was already almost a night, and I was using full headlights on, and he said you shouldn't use headlights because it's still not a night, a full dark night, so you should use only this one here, this option, the first option, not the headlights. They are saving from whites, obviously, which is very strong, because in Europe you can get ticket for not using the whites. Here you are getting ticket for not for using the whites. It's completely different. Here there are some holes on the road, but overall the main roads are in good quality, so maybe because there is no winter here. Sugar cane everywhere, sugar cane and tobacco. That's what they do for living. That's what they grow on the fields. They make rum, the famous Havana Club rum from the sugar cane, melassa. So a lot of fields with sugarcane everywhere in Cuba. The speed limits here 80 kilometers, extra urban, normal road, big roads with 2 or more lanes in one way 100 kilometers, and 50 kilometers 50 kilometers in the cities and villages. So you don't need really a powerful car here, because you cannot go faster than 100 kilometers legally. And they say, local people say that the police can write you a ticket even for 5 kilometers. For example, if you're driving with 85 and the speed limit is 80, you will get ticket. There are people, because there are not many cars in Cuba, it's too expensive for the local people to have cars. There are not many cars on the road, and that's great because there are no traffic jams and the roads are yours. There are many people asking for travel by raising hands. For a shared travel with you. Many bicycles and rickshaws, motorcycles. Horse driven. Направо. This is the bridge to Santa Maria Island. The bridge is made by humans in the ocean. In the Fast and Furious in Havana, you can see in the first minutes of the film an old car driving on such bridge. Oh, let's go into water.